My website was invisible. No traffic, no sales, just crickets. I spent hours creating content, tweaking my pages, and even tried paid ads and social media posts. But nothing delivered real, lasting growth. The frustration was real. How could I work so hard and still be ignored by search engines? One night, while doom scrolling for answers, I stumbled across a guide called SEO, How Important is Search Engine Optimization? The title stopped me cold. It felt like it was written just for me. The promise of improving online visibility without burning through ad budgets immediately caught my eye. I clicked, curious, and discovered a whole world of SEO strategies I hadn't even considered. Their platform didn't just throw vague advice my way. It offered professional-grade SEO tools and real-time analytics. The intuitive dashboard showed exactly where my site was struggling and what steps to take next. I signed up for their monthly link-building service, hoping it would help my rankings. Within a few weeks, my site started climbing up the search engine results. I couldn't believe it. Organic traffic surged. People were finally finding me. Even better, my sales started rolling in. For the first time ever, my site felt alive, active, visited, converting. SEO changed everything. It turned my website from invisible to unmissable. My business was no longer stuck. It was thriving. If you're struggling to get noticed online, this is your sign. Don't keep spinning your wheels. Ready to boost your online growth? Click the link in the description and unlock the SEO strategies that can take your business to the next level.